Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Facebook notification settings on mobile. So if you want to change your Facebook notification settings on the Facebook application on your phone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change your Facebook notification settings on Facebook app, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application. Click on the menu icon at top right on Android, the menu icon at the bottom right on iPhone. Then while on the menu page, scroll down, locate and click on Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. Now, under Settings and Privacy, you want to scroll down to Preferences, where you can customize your experience on Facebook. Now, go ahead and click on Notifications. Once you select Notifications, here, you can customize or change your Facebook notification settings. You can stop receiving tags, comment notifications, birthday notifications, group, video, event, and the rest of them. Now, to change the notification settings, all you need to do is select where you want to stop notifications from. Let's say birthday. Then here you see allow notification on Facebook, go ahead and disable that. Then you put that says turn off notifications. You won't receive them on Facebook by push, email, or SMS. Then you're good to go. Now go ahead, repeat this on all the notifications you want to change. Then here is where you receive notifications. So if you want to stop email notifications, all you need to do is come here and stop the notifications from your email. So what you need to do is click on email frequency, come here and click turn off. Once you selected all, you should see your email notifications. Select notifications you want to turn off on the email. So in this case, I'm going to turn off all email notifications here. And then once turned off, you can now hit the back button. Then again, you still have push notifications. If you want to stop push notifications, come here and then disable all the push notifications on the Facebook. So that is basically how to change Facebook notification settings on phone or Facebook mobile app. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.